right now we have the Kothoma culture again demonstrated by the HHDSP. A huge round of applause. Please continue clapping for the beautiful group going up on the stage. It's a vast diversity, it's a vast culture. That is why we're having to communicate with vibrant dresses. You can see the guy carrying a machete and the girl carrying a traditional, in my language we call it nokai, used for carrying rice. Right now we have the Kothoma culture again demonstrated by the HHDSP. A huge round of applause. Please continue clapping for the beautiful group going up on the stage. Please continue clapping for HHDSP. Right now on the stage heading we have after this TBYF, and I would like to request TBYF to be ready just after this. Culture once again demonstrated by TBYF Duo. Another beautiful, vibrant culture. You can see the guy carrying that's a kind of traditional symbol among the Tripoli community. We'll be having another demonstration of the Burma culture by the TBYF. Demonstrating the Kothoma culture. See, there are various clans, that's why we have various groups performing the Kothoma culture, demonstrating to us beautifully. Right now, have the Karbo demonstrated by SSB GMP. The Karbo tribe, a small endangered subclan of the Halam community in Tripoli here. They are known for their unique Indonesian dialect. Mostly Hindu tribe, tribal population facing by SSKGMP.
Now, this is presenting the Khaiwi tribe. The Khaiwi tribe is a significant subgroup of the Hamang community in Tripura, known for their distinct language, culture, and traditions, with some members following Christianity and others Hinduism, coexisting peacefully while preserving their heritage, including traditional weaving and farming practices within the larger tribal landscape of East India.